I accidentally spilled some of this lemonade powder on the floor here in the kitchen while I was making some lemonade for my daughter. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to test out the Shark Power Detect robot vacuum that mops and vacuums, and also highlight some of its cool features. Now we're just going to run a spot clean. So open up your Shark Clean app. We're gonna go to spot clean down here, and now we are gonna move that spot over here to where the spill is. So that's the kitchen island, and that's where I spilled everything. So now I'm just gonna hit clean and get out of the way and let it do its thing. And I wanna do mop here. That was pretty cool. That took about 5 minutes for it to clean that spot. A couple things I noticed. First of all, it has some sensors in it that can tell when there's a larger mess than usual. So it could sense that there was a lot of that powder on the ground. So it went ahead and spent some extra time, and I saw it would stop, it would spin around in a circle, move a little bit, spin around in a circle when it noticed or detected a larger area with more dirt and debris than usual. It doesn't always do that. So sometimes it just cruises through, but when it notices that there's a soiled spot that has more on it, it actually spun around in a circle. So that was pretty cool. Now another thing, it's got that robot arm that spins on it to collect stuff to pull it into the vacuum, that little brush that spins. I did notice that it kicked some of the lemonade mix away from it, and that went outside of the spot that I told it to clean. So there's a little bit still left to pick up. So in the future, I'll just have it clean the entire room instead of just do a little spot like that. So that's good to know if you're doing a little spot. Make sure that it's getting enough, because some of that dirt and debris might get kicked outside of the area that you told it to clean. So I'm just gonna have it run another cycle when it's done cleaning itself. Right now it's in the dock and it's finishing up washing the pad. So when it's done, I'm just gonna have it mop the entire kitchen, and that should fix that problem. But really impressed with it, super easy, and it did a good job picking up most of that stuff there inside of the area that I told it to clean. I do have a complete tutorial on this vacuum if you want to check that video out next. Hopefully that was helpful.